Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Then again 3 minus 7 is equal to also minus 4. Now minus 4 multiply minus 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one parenthesis, here one multiplication, and here one parenthesis, and here one subtraction. So first priority is parenthesis. First we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 3 minus 7 multiply 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Now first we have to solve this multiplication. So 3, now minus 7 multiply minus 4 is equal to plus 28. Now 3 plus 28 is equal to 31. So the correct answer is 31. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.